Starting in the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durood Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics, chapter number 7 for new secondary mathematics, book 1, class 6, subtract students, and chapter number 9, new syllabus mathematics, D1 and practice of 13. And question number 1 is, in triathlon, Farhan swims a distance of 1.5 km at an average speed of 2.5 km per hour, cycles 40 meter in one whole number 1 over 2 hours, and runs at an average speed of 9 km for one whole number 1 over 9 hours, and we have to find average speed of the entire competition. So students, there are three parts. One part, the first part is swimming. Swimming students, he swims at distance is equal to 1.5 km and average speed is 2.5 km per hour. Number 2, he is cycling and the distance for cycling is 40 km. Distance is equal to 40 km and time is 1 whole number 1 over 2 hours. And students, number 3, running and he runs 9 km. Average speed is 9 km per hour and time is 1 whole number 1 over 9 hours. And we have to find average speed for the competition. Now students, we will find all the three distance and all the three times. Then we will sum up all the distance and times, and then distance will be divided by time, and that will be the average speed. Now students, look at number 1. Distance is given but time is not given. So by solving distance and average speed formula, we will find the first time. At second number, distance and time is given, so we need not to solve this part. And at third number, speed is given, time is given, but distance is not given. So students, we will solve first and third part and find the time and distance, and then all the three distance and all the three times will be summed up, and then we will find the average speed. So students, first I will solve part 1, and here distance is 1.5 km, whereas average speed is 2.5 km per hour. So I will find the time. So students, formula is speed is equal to distance over time. So students, distance and average speed is given. Average speed is 2.5 km per hour. Time is dividing on right side. When we transfer it to the side, it will multiply. That we have to find. And distance is 1.5 km. Now students, R is dividing on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will multiply. And 2.5 km is multiplying. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide. So time will be, time is equal to 1.5 km multiplied by R over 2.5 km. Now students, kilometer will be cancelled with kilometer, and it will become 15 multiplied by 10 over 25 multiplied by 10, or for removing this point, I will divide this number with 10, and for removing this point, I will multiply with 10. So students, 10 will be cancelled to 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. So first time is 3 over 5 hours. So students, For swimming, the time is 3/5 hours and distance is 1.5 kilometer. For number 2, distance and time is given, so we need not to solve it. But for third number, speed and time is given, so we will find distance, third distance. So students, at number 3, formula is speed is equal to distance over time. So students, speed is given and time is given. Time is dividing on right side. When we transfer it to this side, it will multiply, and formula will become speed multiplied by time is equal to distance. And speed is, students, 9 km per hour, and time is one whole number, 1/9 hours is equal to distance. Students, r will be cancelled to r, and 9 km multiplied by 9 ones are 9 plus 1, 10/9 is equal to distance. So 9 will be cancelled to 9, and distance is 10 km. So students, distance for running is 10 km. Now students, we will sum up all the three distance. Distance is 1.5 km, distance is 40 km, and for running distance is 10 km. And then we will sum up the time. For swimming, time was 3/5 hours. For cycling, time is one whole number, 1/2 hours. And for running, time is one whole number, 1/9 hours. So we will write total distance and total time. So students, I will write total distance, and total distance is, students, 1.5 km plus 40 km, and for running distance was 10 km. So students, total distance travelled by Farhan, 10 plus 40 means 50, 50 plus 1.5 means 51.5 km. And total time, that is, time for swimming was 3/5 hours, plus time for cycling is one whole number, 1/2 hours, and time for running is one whole number, 1/9 hours. Now students, I will sum up all the time. 3/5 will be written as it is, 3/5 plus 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3/2, plus 9 ones are 9 plus 1, 10/9 hours. Now students, we will find the LCM of 5, 2 and 9. There is no common factor between all the three denominators. So 5 2s are 10 and 10 9s are 90. 90 will be the LCM. And if you want to find the LCM, because students, there is no common factor between the denominator, so we will multiply the denominators and that will be the LCM. Now LCM will be divided by the denominator, and LCM is 90. 90 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, remainder 4, and then drop the next digit, and 5 8s are 40. So students, 40, the quotient is 18. 18 multiplied by 3 mean 18 multiplied by 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3 and 2 5. So it is 54 plus. Now students, LCM is 92, that is divided by LCM is 90 and denominator is 2, so 2 4s are 8. Subtract 8 from 9 and 2 5s are 10. So students, quotient is 45. Now 45 will be multiplied by 3. 45 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 carry, 3 4s are 12 and 1 13. It will become 135 plus 90 will divided by 9, and that is 10, and 10 10s are 100. So it will be the total time. Now I will sum up the total time, and that is So students, total time will be 100 plus 135 mean 235, 235 plus 4 239, and 39 plus 50 89, and time is 289 over 90 hours. Now students, we have to find average speed, whereas total distance is 51.5 km and total time is 289 over 90 hours. So average speed is total distance over total time, total distance over total time, and students, distance is 51.5 km over time is 289 over 90 hours. Now students, keep in mind that if there is denominator in denominator, then that denominator will multiply with the numerator, because if it is written as 3 over 5, we can write it as 3 divided by 5. So students, denominator will be written in division form, and then we will multiply it by taking reciprocal. So this 90 will multiply with 51.5, or you can write it as 51.5 kilometer divided by 289 over 90 hours. Now students, this is division sign. We will convert this division sign into multiplication, and then we have to reciprocal it, and it will become 51.5 multiplied by 90 over 289 kilometer per hour. Now students, we will multiply 90 by 51.5 and divided by 289, and that will be the average speed. Students, when we multiply 51.5 by 90, we will have 4635 over 289 kilometer per hour, and now students, it will be divided by 289, and the average speed will be 16.04 kilometer per hour. 16.04 kilometer per hour is the average speed of Farhan for this competition. Now students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.